welcome to my channel. Today in my school, my best friend's birthday is giving my favorite Lego bracelet. I have a colors. I have a normal green, dark blue, and we have Lego. Look, I don't know see, but I'm showing you. This comes with this package. I know. Okay, let's make it. My favorite color blue. Let's open. Okay, let's start. Let's open this Legos. I open it. Let's put Lego in here. Guys, we are all done. It looks like this. I like super. It's really good. Let's put with hands. Okay, let's make another one. I am done. It looks like this. I like it. It's so pretty. This I'm giving to my friend. His name is Nova. This is like this. I'm sure y'all. It's come with this Lego pieces. I'm done. It's look like this. I like this one. I like this one. Okay, you can put it in my hand. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, thank you, Nova. Happy birthday. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.